not lecturing. You will explain, no doubt, you explain very briefly what
So, and later she had given some task-based things also. But where also students, it's working in
the classes. We never do in the classes, suddenly we go to the classroom and then tell them you are going to.
Analysis is more important in the point of the students' point of view. Definitely.
Cases she discussed on the board, and each student also do everything on note. And
the university, the institution noted that 3 of their alumni came back and gave feedback. Like this knowledge that they studied through the subject is not applicable.